your hand, thinking I don't know. The beauty in deceit is that it goes both ways. That's something you should know by now, honey. When I think of you and how you think of me, I've opened up my eyes to see that when you think of me, I'm not your priority. Your one concern is why, oh, you. You'll find my hand is what fits your glove, and I'll be nowhere to be found. Then what you see is what you'll get when you figure out I'm not around. When I think of you and how you think of me, I've opened up my eyes to see that when you think of me, I'm not your priority. Your one concern is why, oh, you. One day you'll find my hand is what fits your glove, and I'll be nowhere to be found.